This is how you can send auto reply on WhatsApp. This can only be sent on WhatsApp Business. So launch your WhatsApp Business, head to the three dots at the top right hand corner, move down to settings. Next is business tools for your profile, catalog, messaging tools. Click on business tools. The next one is away message. Reply automatically when you are away. Make sure this is turned on. Automatically reply a message when you are away. Turn this on. This is the default message. Of course, you can change it. If you want this, you can leave it, but you can change it to yours. Whatever message you want, you can input it here. The next one is to schedule this message. When should this message be sent? Should it be always, or custom schedule, or outside of business hours? Whenever anyone messages you on your business hours, this message will be sent. It could be custom message. You can as well set it at always send. The next one is the recipients. Who should receive this message when you are away? Is it everyone? Everyone in address book? Everyone except only sent to? Make sure you select who should receive this message when you are away and save. Don't forget to save these settings. This is how you can send auto replies on WhatsApp Business. This can only be sent on WhatsApp Business. If you don't have WhatsApp Business, you can head to the store, download, install, give the necessary permissions, and start using it to send auto replies on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.